This video is about a free share promotion being run by Trading 212. Hello, I'm Peter Martin with Trading 212, and in this video I'm going to tell you and show you how you can get a free share worth up to £100 or €100 or 100 Swiss francs. The offer is open to new account holders, and to qualify you need to open an invest or an ISA account with Trading 212 and deposit funds into the account. And then you get given a share which is randomly selected, and the price of the share is up to £100 or 100 Swiss francs or 100 euros. And that depends on your account currency and your location. And the amount that you need to deposit into your invest account or ISA account is just £1, 1 Swiss franc or €1. So let's run through this now and see how to do it. This is Trading 212's homepage, and at the top of the page we can see information about the free share promotion. And if I click on Learn More, then we come to another page where it tells us about the free share promotion. Get a free share worth up to €100. We are giving away a free share to each client who opens an invest account, and then we get a link to the terms and conditions. So let's click on that link and follow that through. So here we have the full terms and conditions for the promotion. You should have a good read through of everything that's in there to ensure that you understand how the promotion works. I'll just highlight one of the points here that we haven't mentioned yet, which is that you need to be a resident of one of the following countries: the United Kingdom, Switzerland, Germany or the Netherlands. But obviously there are other terms and conditions and you should read through all of them. Let's now go back to the previous page, and there is an open an account button here. I'm going to click on that, and now I have this form to fill out in order to create an account. So I'm going to fill out details here to open an invest account and then make a deposit in order to qualify for the free share campaign. So I've gone through the steps required in order to qualify for the offer. I've opened an invest account, I've deposited funds, and the account has been activated. So if I click on my notifications here, you can see that I've got a message saying free shares promotion. Congratulations, you won a free share of BMW AG. And at the bottom of the screen, you can see my free share is there as an open position. BMW opened at €73.74. And just to reiterate, the free share that you get will be selected by random, with a price up to £100, 100 Swiss francs or 100 euros. Finally, also please note at the bottom right hand corner of the screen we have a speech balloon icon there. If you click on that, you can chat to the customer care team, who are always available to help should any questions arise. Well, that was a look at Trading 212's free share promotion using their web app. But don't forget, you can also download for free native mobile apps for iOS and Android, and you'll find links to those in the video description below. If you enjoyed the video, please hit the thumbs up button and give us a like, or if you want to tell your friends about the promotion, why not share the video, or even share your thoughts with us in the comment section. We do read each one. And we do other videos, including analysis of popular markets like gold and crude oil and the Dow Jones and Eurodollar. And we also do educational videos about trading in general. If you click on the red subscribe button and then select the alarm bell icon, you'll get a notification for every new video. And we add fresh content each week. Well, that's all for this time from me, Peter Martin, and Trading 212. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.